We need a Ramadan so the people learn to inculcate in their children to be another Khalid Walid, and before that Abu Bakr Sadiq, Umar Khattab, Uthman ibn Affan, Ali ibn Talib, Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, and like this. We need a Ramadan that inspires our children. Maybe I should study knowledge. This ummah needs another Bin Baz. This ummah needs another Al-Albani. This ummah needs another Muqbil. This ummah needs another Ibn Uthaymeen. This ummah needs another Muhammad Aman Al-Jami. This ummah needs another Huthayfi. This ummah needs another Umar Falata. This ummah needs another Abdul-Razak Afifi. This ummah needs another Hammad Ansari. This ummah needs all of those and more. You're going to tell me that none of them can come, or no one like them can come from our lineage, our families? None of them can come from us? Everybody that comes from us got to be goofy. No one can come from us. None of our children can speak the Arabic language with talaqa at a young age. None of us can put in the hands of our children books that would be beneficial to the ummah, have a love that cannot be imagined for reading them. The same love that these kuffar have for Harry Potter and their imaginary books. Our hope is low. Our goal or our desire is low. We low. We're supposed to have high goals. We're supposed to be looking at Abdullah, Abdul-Rahman of our children saying, you might be Shaykh Naasir for this ummah. We're supposed to say, I'm listening to Hudhayfi and Shuraim, but that could be you leading the salat in the Haram. We're supposed to have high goals. But until we brush off the dust, the foolishness of the Jahiliyyah, the hastiness of youth, and that doesn't have to do with age. Even if you're 70 years old and you're hasty, bumping into this and falling to that, creating confusion, then you're hasty. The hastiness of youth, the bad characteristics that we have, we got to get rid of them. We got to change our condition. Change our condition. Change our condition. We need a Ramadan